How to fix the error failed to find Roblox process. Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. If you're getting this error when you try to enter to Roblox or one of the games, what I recommend to do is to install the Roblox application on your PC, because if you do it from the browser, it is likely to have more errors than on the application. For this, you'll go to the Start button on your PC. Then, go to Microsoft Store, and here, you will simply search for Roblox. Once you find the application, you will download it, open it, and this should fix this error. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.